Now take a file and as this is a very coarse, very rough grinder wheel. So it's not going to put a really smooth edge on it. You have to take a file to it afterwards. But this shaves off some of the metal to bring you to that fine point, that more narrow of a wedge. See, it'll cut better. But you don't want it too thin, otherwise it'll just chip off. You put notches in it, so it can't be too thin. But I'm not chopping anything real heavy, just some palm trees. I made some pipes, I made cannons, I made throwing stars, I made double-edged swords. I made a cool sword that was like, had it on this side, and there was a sword on this side, and you could grab it in the middle. It was real cool. It's like Star Wars, like, what's that dude? That dude with the red head and the spikes out of it. Darth Maul. Double-edged sword. I made it in metal shop. So I'm taking this file. So yeah, I'm taking a file and I'm removing the burrs because I just put a grinder on this edge. So technically you're supposed to go against the point. It's supposed to be in a secured area though, so it doesn't move around on you. But yeah, you just kind of do this at it. Start from one side, work your way to the other side. You turn it over. And technically, if you're going to do this, you want to have like a oil or a wet stone, because you don't want things to get heated up. But I'm just doing a little bit. Anyway, that's what I remember from my metal shop class in high school. I used to make a lot of stuff, tools. I made weapons, I made other stuff that was you'd find in certain shops. I won't mention it. But yeah, I had a little business. I would sell these things to my classmates, and I never got in trouble. Amazing. So I don't know. I don't feel any. Oh, right there. It's clean. It feels somewhat clean. What do we got? We got a palm tree. We got some dead branches I gotta remove. Leave the fresh ones on top. Remove some husk, some strings. So, well, yes, I am here again. I'm making preparations to climb a palm tree and trim off its branches and some husk, and trying to make the trunk of it smooth all around 360 degrees so that it's cleaned up. It's never been trimmed since it was planted there, so it looks kind of ratty and gaudy and unclean and raggedy and kind of rough. Safety, PPE. Very important. Shoes. I should have long pants on a long sleeve, technically. Maybe even a helmet, safety vest. But I'm not on a job site. I'm at home. shears is gonna be easier on those top ones. The shears and the saw, the regular wood saw. It's gonna be a greater reach. I don't have a tall enough ladder. Should have a safety harness around this pole of my body, a rope or something at least, and also it should have a taller ladder, because I'm not high enough, and you're not supposed to get on the top rung. Your hands should be able to always touch the top rung, so I have to purchase a taller ladder, which is more money. I don't know if I should keep my gloves on. Yeah, and safety glasses. Make a little bowline loop. This isn't, just to let you know, this is not OSHA approved. I'm not doing this as a business. I'm not doing this for profit. I'm just doing this on my own personal level, personal home, personal project. It's not commercial. Otherwise, I would have to purchase a real certified harness from a certified store. Yeah, I just want to be able to climb up to a higher level. I made the loop too strong or too long. I got these lower branches that are in my way. They're poking me in the stomach. don't want to cut into the. I don't want to cut into the main tree. Gotta be careful. Anyway, take a look at that. It's a lot easier. If you take a big bunch of it, just trim like you're trimming a deer skin, like a hide, like an animal hide. Makes it a lot easier and it's a lot cleaner if you do it in a group. Anyway, this is probably not standard practice, using a grinder to trim a tree trunk of a palm. But it's real hairy, and I don't have anything to really dig into these without chipping into the wood of the trunk. So this grinder's working great. Ooh, it's kind of naked. Now that you've trimmed off some of those, they call them fawns, branches and fawns. It's a term I haven't heard before, but I don't know if I've ever seen any of this naked and bald. It's got some hairs on it.